Ring ring. Hello? It's my new shower head. End of scene.
I'm now. Let's go. I need a good time.
It's not good. In today's episode, how do you do interwebers and Bobo? Welcome. Today I'm on my cross trainer because I need to get in shape. So that was 488 calories later. So sometimes really weird things happen. Like today when I was standing in the shower and I was sort of using the shower head, and this thing just came off. And sometimes I have taken off the shower head, but because this is so much easier to sort of, if you want to clean the bathtub and stuff like that, this sort of, but now it's like the ridges in this, like the ridges are sort of, I don't know, worn out because it just doesn't fit, or each time I try to put them back, it sort of get worse. So there's gonna be no gym for me. I'm gonna go to Ikea and buy a new shower head. Hello? Yes? Shower head. So you and I, that's from chess. We're on our way, we're going to Ikea, where we will buy a shower head. We will buy shower heads at the Ikea. It's a shame I really can't rhyme. Come on, let's go. So I thought today would just be about me cooking vegan food and going to the gym, and I thought, oh, what a dreary day, especially for you. But then this happens and a whole new story opens up. Today it's going to be all about me going to Stockholm, which is a suburb quite far away, on a bike, buying stuff in secondhand stores, and finally finding a shower head at Ikea. This is gonna be riveting. Oh. So this is the first stop, second-hand shop. A sort of a really, it's almost an outlet. So I found nothing, which is good. I don't need nothing. So now I am sweaty and I'm in Skärholmens centrum, which is, it's like a great big mall. Now we're going to go to the second-hand store and then it's off to Ikea. You know something, when I get to Ikea I'm going to have one of those vegan ice creams, because they were all out when I and Ulf were there a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't know. Well, they were out anyway. I need one now. So I find nothing, which was good. I don't need anything. I just need a new shower head. So what do you say? Let's go to Ikea. And now I realize that I might not have thought this through properly. I brought the shower heads, but I mean, is it just buying new sort of, is there different kinds of thickness and stuff like that? Probably. So people, we are gonna start with the ice cream, because if I'm looking forward to it and then don't get it, it won't work for me. So before I got there, I cut the line and I asked, do you have ice cream? And they said yes. And then I stood in line and I said I want vegan ice cream. And then the guy said, sorry, we're out. And then he started laughing and they weren't out. He was funny. So that's the guy. He was really funny. He shouldn't be here. He should be somewhere else where he's sort of, he's smart. Not to say that people who work there aren't smart, but I mean, it's there might be better jobs. This ice cream is really good. It's like a sorbet. I think it's a sorbet. Strawberry, raspberry, I don't know, some kind of berry. I'm in a good mood again. Was I in a bad mood? No, well, briefly. So if I was a shower curtain, where would I be? Bathrooms? So here's my shower head, and here are other shower heads. God. Oh, they're not that expensive. No, this is the most expensive one. No, that. So this is really confusing. Because, I mean, you can't really try them, so you don't know what they do. This has one function, 3 functions, 5 functions, 1 function, but that function is more expensive than that one that also just got 1 function. I don't know. This is the absolutely cheapest one. It's just 25 Swedish crowns, and it's not that. But I mean, I think this looks kind of plastic as well, don't they? So either this one that has sort of no functions at all, well, 1 function, or something sort of, let's do something mad. But I don't shower that much. Well, I shower every day, but I mean, it's not that I'm standing in the shower sort of really enjoying myself, but I might. Sausages. Time to go home. People, it's time to shower. I think the hardest part with IKEA's stuff is just, getting it up. Getting the things out. But, well, this wasn't as hard. So, well. I need 2 hands. Okay. Looks good. Is it gonna fit in there? Hopefully. Can I do it with 1 hand? Hopefully. No, I can't. Ring, ring. Hello. No, I'm doing this all wrong. Ring, ring. Hello. It's my new shower head. End of scene. I'm now going to turn it on. So, then, still water. Steam! It's like steam! You see? Oh. No. I like this one. I mean, come on! Yes, I've been doing this for 5 minutes. I mean, come on! Yes, I've been doing this for 5 minutes.